Geometrical pattern. A geometrical pattern is a repeated arrangement of shapes, lines, or forms based on geometric figures, such as circles, triangles, squares, or hexagons. These patterns follow a specific structure and are often organized, symmetrical, and predictable. The National University MOA campus building. The entire exterior of the building is covered with a repeating hexagon pattern, just like a honeycomb. These hexagons are uniform in shape and size, creating a tessellation, which is a geometric pattern where shapes fit together perfectly without gaps or overlaps. What repeats? The hexagonal shape of the exterior design of the building repeats over and over. A geometrical pattern repeats over and over. What is the rule of geometrical pattern? The rule of geometrical pattern is the same shape so repeats over and over, just like the hexagonal shape of the new MOA building. It repeats over and over. Why does it occur? Artists and designers are using geometric patterns to create beauty, harmony, and meaning to buildings and spaces. These patterns serve both practical and artistic purposes. Geometrical shapes like triangles, arches, and hexagons are naturally strong. They help to support weight and keep structure balanced. Repeating shapes and patterns create visual balance and aesthetic appeal, just like the NU MOA campus.
Word pattern. It is a type of pattern that is found in languages or symbols. It focuses on the sequence of words that contains a pattern. For example, palindrome. These are phrases that reads the same even when it was written backwards. What repeats in the palindrome? The spelling of the written words or symbol repeats itself when spelled reversely. What is the rule? The palindrome shows a sequence of characters that when written in backwards, it contains the same symbols. Why does it occur? Palindrome occurs because it presents how the pattern of the letters or characters repeats when it reads reversely.
Number pattern. It is a list of numbers that follow a certain rule or sequence. These numbers repeat, increase, decrease, or change in a regular way. We can find number patterns such as in daily routines, nature, etc. The skincare routine. It is a repeated set of steps we follow daily to take care of our skin. It usually includes cleansing, toning, and moisturizing, and this order stays the same each day. What repeats? The number of skincare steps repeats every day. We always do 3 steps, which is cleanse, tone, and moisturize in the same order, morning and night. What is the rule? The rule is to follow the same 3-step routine daily to keep our skin clean, healthy, and protected. Why does it occur? It occurs because skincare requires consistency. Repeating the same steps each day helps maintain healthy skin and makes the routine easy to follow. This creates a number pattern that supports good skin habits.